Want to look like a perfect porcelain doll? Here are the soft, girl-inspired Chinese doll makeup secrets that will give you that dreamy, flawless look. Step 1. Skincare. First, Chinese doll makeup starts with perfect skin. Use a lightweight hydrating toner, followed by a glowy moisturizer and SPF. The base should feel fresh, soft, and cushiony. Step 2. The flawless baby base. Use a light BB cream or cushion foundation for a sheer, airbrushed finish. Avoid cakey coverage. Doll skin looks real, not heavy. Step 3. Soft brows equals youthful look. Brush brows into a straight shape, keeping them light and soft. No harsh lines. Think natural but refined. Step 4. Gradient. Doll lips. Apply a soft red or pink tint in the center of your lips and blend outward for that signature blurred doll lip. It makes your lips look pouty and delicate. Step 5. Big, bright doll eyes. Use pastel eyeshadows, peach or pink, then add a small touch of glitter on the center of your eyelid. Draw a thin line close to the lash line and extend it slightly downwards for that innocent look. Step 6. Circle lenses. Optional. To complete the doll look, many Chinese makeup artists use circle lenses to make eyes look rounder and softer. Totally optional, but magical if you want that extra pop. Step 7. Blush like a doll. Apply soft pink blush high on the cheeks and a tiny bit across the nose bridge. This creates a youthful, flushed effect, like you're always just a little shy. That's it. The Chinese doll soft girl look. Delicate, dreamy, and totally magical. Save this for your next glow-up day.